Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's class of event management. In previous class, we have seen the syllabus of event management. Today, this would be module 1, video number 2, in which we will be discussing the meaning and definition of event. Event means anything that happens specially, something of importance. It can be a planned, public, or social occasion. Now, event means anything which is happening specially, or it is, say, a special happening or special activity which will be having special importance. It can be planned, public, or social occasions. Now, here, these events have its special importance in our life. It can be socially or it may be corporate, everything. Now, in social events, we have the festivals, Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, or personal events, we have wedding, naming ceremony, or it may be engagement, all these kind of events. So, these events have some special importance in our life. So, this is the meaning of event. Another meaning of event we can see is an event can be a public assembly or gathering for the purpose of celebration, education, marketing, etc. An event can be a public assembly wherein public gathers, get together, come together for the purpose of celebration, either celebration of some birthday, some festival, or some achievement, or with an intention of education. The educational events may be seminar, workshops, etc., or with an intention of marketing. The marketing events like product launching or some marketing festivals, etc. So, here an event is a public assembly or public gathering for purpose of celebration, education, marketing, etc. This is the another meaning of event. One more meaning we will see of event. An event can be wedding celebration, office party, fashion show, conference, product launch, sports event, rock concert, exhibition, seminar, as much more. So many more such kind of things we consider or we treat them as event. These events we specially come together to celebrate, to enjoy, to regenerate ourselves, or to relax ourselves from our day-to-day activity. So here event is having a special importance in our life, which is a celebration, which is a party, it may be a fashion show, conference, product launching, sports events, rock concerts, exhibitions, seminars, and many more such activities. So, these activities we have them occasionally. We want public gathering to discuss, to meet, to have interaction with each other, and these events will be specified for a certain time or they have their time limit. Maybe examples for this is in corporate events, annual general meeting, it happens once in a year on the AGM day, or product launch, it will be of one day, wedding, it may be of 2 or 3 days, a rock concert, a specific period, social festivals like Dashera, this we celebrate for 9 days, Ganesh Utsav 11 days, Holi 1 day. So likewise, the event have a special time span or time limit is being given for these events. So event means anything which happens specially or occasionally which have a special importance in our life, and this importance may be from social gathering, it may be a planned gathering, or it may be a what we call it as it may be a occasional gathering wherein which has a special importance in our life. After that, we will discuss definitions of events. Now, event has been defined by various authors. The first definition we will be discussing about the definition given by Cambridge Dictionary. An event is anything that happens specially, something important or unusual. Event is a special happening which is happening specially and which has a special importance and which is unusual. It is different from the usual happenings or usual activities. So, an event is nothing but anything that happens specially, something important or unusual. So, this is the meaning or definition of event. Now, second definition given by Steve John N. Steve John N defines event as an event is something that happens at a given place and time for a reason with someone or something involved. Now, what Steve John N says is event is something that happens in a given period or a given place or at a given time for a special reason with someone or something involved. Now, as per Steve John N, an event is anything which is happening with a special reason or special plan at a specific time, specific place, or with a specific reason. We'll see the examples. Now, annual sports meet. This is a special gathering with a special reason of sports annually held. This we can call it as event. Or a wedding ceremony which has a special importance, a special place and a specific time with a reason of two lives coming together is wedding. So here, according to Steve John N, an event is something that happens at a given place and time for a reason with someone or something involved. So this is the definition of event. Another definition given by Getz: events are temporary occurrence, either planned or unplanned, with a finite length of time. Now here Getz define event as it is a temporary occurrence. It is not permanent, it is not years continuous. It would be a temporary occurrence, either planned or unplanned, with a finite length of time, means with a given period of time. As we discussed, the specific time will be given for these events. If the time is finished, the event is perished out. So this is the definition of events. A 2 marks question may be coming for your examination. What do you mean by event or define event? At that point of time, you need to write any of the meaning. We discussed 3 to 4 meanings, and here we have discussed 4 definitions. Any one of these you can write for definition as well as meaning. So in this class, this much only. We'll stop here. In next class, we shall see the features of events. So till then, bye, good day, take care.